Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear App Store data on iPhone. So to start, open your App Store. Next, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Next, scroll down to Personalized Recommendations and tap on it. Now, once you're in, go to your usage of apps and tap on Clear App Usage Data. A confirmation prompt will appear and tap on Confirm or tap on Clear App Usage Data to confirm your action. And just like that, your App Store usage data is cleared. Now, here's what actually happens behind the scenes. So, this removes the on device data Apple uses to understand your behavior, like which apps you open, download, or interact with the most. That data is what shapes your personalized recommendations, featured apps, and suggestions in the App Store. So, after clearing it, your recommendations will reset. And at first, they may look more general or less relevant, but as you continue using your device, they'll gradually adapt again. So it's important to know this does not delete any apps on your phone. It does not remove your purchase history and it does not affect your subscriptions, ratings, or reviews. So it only clears the usage signals tied to personalization. If you don't notice changes right away, that's normal. It can take a few hours, sometimes up to 24 hours, for your App Store recommendations to fully refresh. And that's everything you need to know about clearing App Store usage data on iPhone. Quick, simple, and done in minutes. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.